Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these easy DIY colored lashes. So for this, you're going to need a set of lashes. You're going to need some kind of pigment, whether it comes from an eyeshadow or a singlet. You're going to need some tweezers, an eyeshadow base or concealer, and something to place the pigment onto the lashes. So these are the kinds of lashes that I'll be using. And then I'm also going to take my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. It's the lightest concealer I own, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So first we're going to start off by layering the first coat of concealer onto the lashes. I found this step to be easiest when I left the lashes in the tray. It also helped to conceal a lot of the mess as well. I'm going to go ahead and continue layering on the concealer until I see no more black. Make sure to also get as much of the band as well. Then I'm going to take my tweezers and flip them over. Make sure they're in place and go ahead and repeat that same step but on the back end, just to make sure that we got any spots that we missed the first time around. You want your lashes to be completely coated in your base or concealer. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab our pigment. So I'm using my NYX Ultimate palette and I'm going for a blue lash. So I'm going to start off with this deep blue here for my first layer. I'm taking a flat, long eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use that to place the pigment onto the lashes. When placing the pigment onto the lashes, I'm actually not swiping the pigment on the lash. I'm literally picking it up with the brush and placing it on top of the lash. For the second layer, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this bright sea blue here. It kind of has like a greenish tint to it. I think it'll add a nice highlight to the lashes. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat this step on the next lash. So first, I'm starting off with that deep royal blue there. Make sure to be generous with your pigment because you don't want to leave any concealer or eyeshadow base visible. Then I'm switching over to the sea blue. Sorry for the lighting in my room, guys. It was so funky that day. Continue to pat on that color until you get a clean consistency all throughout the lash. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this video easy. If you do recreate this DIY colored lash tutorial, make sure to tag me on social media, subscribe, share with your peeps. And until next time, you guys, peace.